Did you know most people cannot tell the difference between a male and female guinea fowl? Can you? Listen carefully because the sound they make reveals everything. Sexing guinea fowl is tricky because males and females look almost identical. But there are 3 reliable ways to tell them apart. First, the sound. This is the most accurate method for adult guinea fowl. The female makes a clear 2-syllable call that sounds like buckwheat, 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 or come back, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. It is a rolling 2-note sound. The male cannot make this sound. Instead, he makes rapid chattering and cracking noises like chee 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 chee, kek 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 kek, with short single-note calls. So remember, if you hear buckwheat, that is a female. If you only hear fast chattering, that is a male. Second, check the helmet and wattles. Males usually have a bigger helmet on top of the head, with larger wattles that stand outward. Females have a smaller, flatter helmet, and the wattles fold closer to the beak. Third, vent sexing for chicks. Experienced keepers sometimes check the vent area for a small bump in males, but this method is risky because guinea fowl stress easily and can get injured. And here is something many people get wrong. Color, body size, and tail shape do not reliably tell the sex of guinea fowl. Now, tell us in the comments, which sound do your guinea fowl make? Buckwheat or rapid chatter? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so more people can learn about guinea fowl farming and management. Your views and experiences in the comment section help others learn too.